Dear student, in the last class we have learned about the comparative study of metals and non-metals. That is the difference. In this video we are going to learn about uses of metals and non-metals. See, if you see the uses of metals and non-metals, most of the uses that we use in our daily life. So it will be easy to remember. Okay. Now let's see one by one. Now first of all we are going to learn about uses of metals. First point about iron, the metal iron. You know very well about the metal iron, isn't it? Okay, you say personally, what is the uses that you have known about iron? You can see many nails or iron chair, table, or whatever maybe is some iron racks, that and all you may see in your home. Apart from that, iron is used for making bridges, engine parts, iron sheets and bars. This is the first point. Then the second point is copper. Okay, what do you know about copper? What is the uses of copper? Do you have any idea about that? You might have seen the copper in electrical wires because most of them will be interested in electrical works, isn't it? So, look at this. Copper is used for making electrical wires, coins and statues. See, look at here the coins. So, copper is used for making electrical wires, that you know very well, and coins that also we use in our daily life, and statues. Okay. Then third point, silver and gold are used for making jewels, isn't it? That you know very well about the jewels made up of silver and gold, because in your home, whether yourself or your mother, sisters, your relatives, everybody, your father and everybody is wearing the jewels, isn't it? It may be bracelet, ring or chain, necklet or earrings or whatever may be, isn't it? So silver and gold are used for making jewels in decorative purposes and photography. And the fourth point is mercury is used in thermometers and barometers because of its high density and uniform expansion at different temperature. Here you have to think one thing. Till now we have seen about the uses of first point about iron, second point about copper, and third point about silver and gold. The fourth point about mercury. So what are all the difference between these metals? So iron, copper, silver and gold, all this. And next point is about aluminium. So aluminium, and the sixth point about lead. So all these elements are in solid state. The exception only is mercury, because mercury exists in liquid state. That's why we use mercury used in thermometers and barometers. Why? Because it has high density and uniform expansion at a different temperature. Okay, in thermometer, what is the uses of thermometer? Thermometer used to measure our body temperature. And what is the use of barometer? Barometer is used to measure weather. To measure weather. So only mercury is in liquid state in all the metals. So it is used in thermometers and barometers because of its high density and uniform expansion at different temperature. Whatever may be the different temperature, it may be 30 degrees Celsius, because see in our Tamil Nadu, sometimes there will be 33 degrees Celsius, and sometimes there will be 97 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Celsius. So whatever may be the temperature, the expansion and density will be high and the uniform expansion will be there. That's why we use mercury in these meters to measure our body temperature and weather. And the fifth point is Aluminium is used in electrical wires, and one more metal also used in electrical wires. Do you remember? That is copper, isn't it? We have seen in the second point. Okay, so like this, whenever you are reading, just you compare with the before point or after the point, then it will be easy to remember you. So aluminium is used in electrical wires, cables, that is in your home, electrical wires that also you can see in your home, and in aerospace industries that you might have not seen, but you see, you can see here. So in aerospace industries also, it's very much useful of metals, that is aluminium. Here see, planes are made of an alloy which contains magnesium and aluminium. What is meant by alloy? Alloy is nothing but a metal made by mixing two types of metal together. Here I will explain in Tamil. Alloy அப்படின்னா என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், அதாவது இரண்டு தனிமங்கள், அதாவது இரண்டு ஆட்டம்ஸ், இரண்டு எலமெண்ட்ஸ், இரண்டு தனிமங்கள் வந்து சேர்ந்து உருவாக்கப்பட்ட ஒரு பொருளுக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது, அலாய் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இங்கே வந்து என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, பிளேன் வந்து எப்படி உருவாக்கப்படுது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால், மேடப் ஆஃப் அன் அலாய். அலாய் நம்ம என்ன சொன்னோம், ரெண்டு எலமெண்ட்ஸ் சேர்ந்து இருக்கிறதுக்கு பேர் தான் அலாயின்னு சொன்னோம். இப்போ இங்கே வந்து என்னென்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, மெக்னீஷியம் அண்டு அலுமினியம். ஸோ மெக்னீஷியமும் அலுமினியம் சேர்ந்து கலந்த கலவைக்கு பேர் தான் என்னது, அலாயின் பேர். இது வந்து எங்கே யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க, பிளேன்ஸில் வந்து பிளேன் தயாரிக்கிறதுக்காக இது வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, தென் த சிக்ஸ்த் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் lead. Lead is used in automobile batteries, X-ray machines. This you might have seen in hospitals, and this one you might have seen in your home or in your friends' shops, isn't it? So in this way, not only this few metals we are learning about, but there are so much metals. Various metals are using in various purposes.